Hello, hi, good morning to everyone. Very happy to see you all again here. Thanks for the great support for yoga. Okay, here I'm going to teach you very simple basic asana for women for post pregnancy. Okay, many of them asking me about when I want to start yoga after pregnancy. Okay, here the answer. You just start after 6 months. Minimum you need to take rest for 6 months. After 6 months, you try just start with some simple basic move. That's only I'm here doing only simple basic move. Okay, there is no problem if you are doing cesarean or normal delivery. It's okay, just try to do this simple basic asana. Okay, if you are not comfort with this asana, just stop doing that asana. Okay, here I'm going to do simple 9 joint warm up. First, starting with 9 joints warm up. Here I'm simply doing 9 giants warm up. I'm already posting some videos about 9 giants warm up. If you have any doubt, please just watch that video and do 9 giants warm up. Here I'm just simply doing some basic warm up only. Okay, slowly do it. This 9 giants warm up help you in many ways. Slowly rotate your hip clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Just do warm up from top to bottom. Just start with shoulder, wrist, neck, then hip and knee and ankle, foot, like that. Okay, I'm clearly explained about 9 giants warm up in individual video. You watch that. Now slowly rotate your knee, relaxed. Then simply rotate your foot clockwise and anti-clockwise angle. Okay, now we are going to do simple basic asana, malasana. Just come to this pose. First try to keep hand on the floor for your balance. After that, come to namaskar position. Try to hold this pose for 30 seconds. That's enough. You need to do it for 30 seconds. You need to do for 3 to 5 times. Minimum 3 to 5 times. If you like this pose more, you can do this asana more time. If you are not comfort with this asana, just stop doing this asana. Then go to another pose. Okay, these are the very simple effective pose to reduce the fat. That means this pose strengthening your whole body and also reducing fat, like that. Now slowly sit in Vajrasana. This move stretching your whole leg, ankle, foot, everywhere. Most effective and also stretching the nerve. Slowly bend forward. Okay, don't push yourself, just slowly bend forward. That's the main thing. Do it very slowly. If you feel any pain or anything, just stop doing. Otherwise, try to do it very slowly. You want to enjoy the flow of yoga. You realize, don't be fear. Just relax yourself. Make your mind strong and feel better and do it. Okay, relax. Now another pose. Take your right leg on left side, twist your whole body on right side. This strengthening your back spine and also reduce the back pain and also reduce fat from your hip and also strengthening your neck. Have a lot of health benefits. It's strengthening your inner organism. That means small intestine, large intestine, stomach, everywhere. Then slowly another side. Do it very slowly. Okay, don't force yourself of doing yoga. Your body and mind combine together and doing every asana. Slowly. Do it very slowly. that you have a lot of time. Here I'm doing something fast, then only you not get bored, so that's why I'm doing something fast. Relax yourself. Okay, now come to sit in Padmasana position. If you are not able to do Padmasana position, try to sit in Sukhasana position. Please try to stay in this pose for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, now we are going to do one simple move. Just take your hand upwards, inhalation, come back, exhalation. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, come back, breathe out. Okay, do it for 3 to 10 times. Sit in Padmasana position, sit straight, slightly chin upward. Breathe in, hold it, breathe out, release slowly. This pose, this asana, this flow, reducing your stress level, increasing your sleep level, increasing your beauty, have a lot of health benefits of doing this flow. Relax. Now another move, Ganesh Mudra. Just try to stretch outward. Hold this pose and stretch outward. Very effective move for upper body. Strengthen your shoulder, upper chest, and also shape your upper body. So try to do this pose 3 to 5 times. Stretch outward, tightly stretch outward. Okay. Change your hand on both sides. Try to do it on both sides. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath and relax yourself. Relax yourself. For every asana you need to take some deep rest. Okay, slowly bend forward, Yoga Mudra. Come to this pose. Do it very slowly. Have a lot of health benefits on this pose also. Every asana there have a lot of health benefits only, but this Yoga Mudra is one of the special asana. Then slowly back side also. Come to back side bend, back bend, and take a deep breath. Okay, deep breath. This move expand your lungs and increasing your lungs capacity and increasing your stamina when you are doing this pose. Then slowly on left side, right side, bend slowly. Okay, don't push yourself to do yoga. You just enjoy and do it. Okay, relax. Relax. Take some rest. Try to lock your leg like this. Slowly shake your body like butterfly action. This is a butterfly action. Do it very slowly. Okay. These all are the very simple basic yoga move, and also this is special yoga asana for women for post pregnancy. Here I am doing something fast. You need to do it for more time. Then another move. One of type Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Just try to do on both sides. Stretch your full body slowly. Okay. Relax. then another side. You want to do it both sides for 3 to 5 times. If you feel any pain or anything uncomfort, just stop doing that asana. Don't get fear, okay? Everything no, you will not get like that. I'm saying if you feel like that, just stop doing asana, okay? And come to normal sitting sukhasana pose and take some normal breath and relax yourself. Okay, now go to Pigeon pose. Just come to Pigeon pose. Slowly, you don't need to stretch too much. You don't need to stretch your maximum level, just a easy to medium level. Just try your that means basic move, basic stretch. That's enough for you. Don't stretch or don't push yourself too much. Look upwards, deep breathe. Do it for 3 to 5 times, okay? If you are not comfortable with this pose for one time, you just stop with that one time. That's enough. Okay, relax, take a deep breath, relax yourself, take some deep rest. Okay, slowly lift your leg and hold your hand like this. Okay, hold this pose for 30 seconds. Relax, release it slowly. Then slowly hold your leg and slowly roll your body. It's better for your back pain and strengthening your back pain and align your back spine, everything. Then slowly left side and right side. Slowly. You feel very better. You feel like someone massage on your back like that. So try to roll left side and right side like this. Then slowly lift your body. Slowly come to this pose and lift your body. This pose suddenly reducing your fat from your stomach, and also this pose give you a flat stomach. That is the main thing. This is the most effective move. In this move, you get a very flat stomach. You feel that when you are doing this asana, you automatically feel that. Okay, relax. Okay, now simply hit your leg like this. After that, try to lift your leg slowly, left side, right side. Do it very slowly. Don't stress yourself. Simply rise left leg and right leg very slowly. Relax. Do it very slowly. You want to give the feel in your mind that your body and mind combine, and you can automatically do that asana, every asana. Relax. Just simply come to this pose and look upward, slightly look upward, okay? Don't stretch too much. Come to this pose and take a normal breath. Relax. Then finally with some cat and cow pose, just inward and outward. Inward. When you inward, breathe in, come back, breathe out. Breathe in this pose, breathe in, and another pose, breathe out. Okay, relax. Just rub your hand and apply that heat on your face, nose, forehead, everywhere. Again rub your hand, just upper chest, neck, shoulder. They're having some warm points in, that means nose, in gap between the nose, ear, eyebrow, everywhere. Just rub it very slowly. Relax. Anyway, thank you so much for your great support. Do yoga and stay healthy. Daily try to spend some time for yoga. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye. Thanks God.